2020 music visionary. SiriusXM.
Comes Thomas, Connor, and Tanner down the half pipe for the third time.
Rule number one is that you gotta have fun. But baby, when you're done, you gotta be the first to run. Rule number two, just don't get attached to somebody to lose. So let me tell you, this is how to be a heartbreaker. Boys, they like a little danger. We'll get him falling for a stranger.
Ah! The crazies are back! How was that, Connor? You like the half pipe? You're now a half pipe expert. Good job. You want to do the half pipe again?
Yes.
Okay.